welcome to Digit. Today we have with us the Petron Boom 3 dual driver earphones with deep bass. So this is the box of the Petron Boom 3 and this is the case you get within to keep your earphones. So first let's look at the box and find out certain specifications about the earphones themselves. As you can see, the Boom 3 dual driver earphones with deep bass is written here again. It also comes with a 3.5mm aux plug or a connector which you can connect into your phone or into your PC or laptop. The wire length is 1.2 meters, which is quite sizable, and it has 8mm drivers, 4 of them. So each earphone has 2 8mm drivers, which will really boost up the bass. The frequency response is quite standard, 20 Hz to 20,000 kHz, and the speaker sensitivity is at 101 dB plus 3 dB, which means it should be pretty loud as well. So that's it for the specifications. They also have some certain features listed here, which is dual driver speakers. As we told you, they have 2 8mm drivers, which really boost the bass. Hands-free call, so it does have an inline microphone and a way to call, and it also has music and volume control. And also one more thing, it does have a 1-year warranty. So now let's set aside this box and look at the case itself. It is a circular case and it is matte black and it has a hard texture, so it can take some falls, and the Petron logo is smacked right in the middle here and it looks quite good. So once you open this case with the zipper, which is quite smooth, you will see that there is a compartment for your earphones as well as a little pouch for your extra ear tips and for the little clip which they have here, which you can attach to your clothes so that these earphones stay on in place. So now let's look at the earphones themselves. Before that, you can see in here you have a slight meshy material here and a foamy material here to keep the earphones safe, and it all looks pretty good. So now let's set this aside and look at the earphones themselves. We're going to attempt to unravel these seem like rubber wires, so they will get tangled quite a bit if you don't keep them organized nicely, which is why it's great that they have given us a case. Let's just unravel this time, and there you go. You can see that these earphones are extremely long, and this part is pretty thick while this part splits into 2 wires, so it's a bit thinner. So be careful that you don't break it easily. Keep it nicely stored within the case. Here you can see we have the 3.5mm connector which will go into your phone or your laptop or PC. And on the other hand, here you can see we have our inline control and mic sector. So here you have a button which is, I guess, for pausing and playing your music and for phone calls. It has a nice metallic sheen to it and it looks like a little dial. Here you have a volume slider, if you can see it. So you slide up to increase the volume and slide down to decrease. There you go. And at this end you have the earbuds themselves. You can see the 2 drivers here, the metallic drivers in both earphones, and you can also see that the earbuds themselves have a slight angle nozzle so that they fit into your ears better, and they have this little rubbery wing which also aids comfort and fit. And they also have the Petron logo right here as well as the right and left indicator to tell you which earbud goes in which ear. So overall, these earphones look like they'll be quite comfortable. They look pretty ergonomic, and that's about it for our overview of the Petron Boom 3 dual driver earphones. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.